Hi there, YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Works Adventures. Adventures, not adventures. Sound like I'm one of the Avengers. Well, maybe I tell you, I do dream about being one of the Avengers. I've watched a lot of Marvel films. I happen to like them. And where am I going with this? I have no idea. I'm imagining myself as who hasn't? Oh, now I'm going somewhere completely random. Who hasn't imagined themselves as a superhero? Which one? In fact, in the comments below, which superhero have you aspired to be when you were growing up? Or maybe you still do at your age. Maybe it's not just maybe it's a secret thing that you... Why am I going here? I have no idea. There's nothing to do with this video. Anyway, this video, put the comments if you want to about what superhero you would love to be, that maybe you've dreamed about since being a little kid. Maybe something. Why did that pop into my head? I have no idea. Anyway, really simple, simple video. I'm sorting myself out a new sharpening system for my chisels and various things. You'll see that I've got it over in the wall. It sits over there. I've made a little home for it. My little benchtop grinder, my charn wood. So I've got a new diamond, also a diamond sharp. I've been using a whetstone over there as well. I've got one of these. I've had for a while, but it wears down, doesn't it? And I've got both coarse, so I've got various different things stepping out of the camera to sharpen with. So I've got a sharpening system. Anyway, I've got a new diamond sharpener. I've got coarse and fine. Bought this. I'm just going to set this in and just make a little new system for myself. So that's what this video is about. Okay, it's like a scrap wood project, isn't it? I've just got this out of my bin, my scrap wood bin. So I'm just going to trim that off. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to set the stone, the diamond sharpening stone into here. So I just need to clean the edges up here because I don't really want that on there. I mean, it wouldn't really matter, would it? But so we'll cut that. So I'm just going to cut that across on my bench hook. And that's what we're going to do. Square. Ha-ha! So I'll just make sure that this is square. I'm leaving a bit of space around here because what I want to do, in fact, if I make that slightly about there, what I can do is a little bench hook, and then I can set it. Don't need much, just need it on the end there, and then I can make a little bench hook as a sharpening system. So let's square that up. We know it's square because I cut it square. Now we're just going to mark round it. Let's mark its footprint. Just marking its footprint. Mark the footprint. Now we're just going to actually excavate this. I'm just going to chisel this out, get it flat, get it level, because then this will sit in, because I do need to move it, because one, it's not like I've got to put it in solid or permanent, because you've got coarse and fine. Coarse, fine. So I'm going to now just chisel that out. Just put it in the bench. Put it in the bench. Put it in the vise. What we're going to do, we're just going to go around the edge. So I've got my mallet that I carved. Let's just start to... That'll do. Looking good, isn't it? That'll do nicely. There we go. Sits in there. That's a nice easy space for it just to sit. And if I want to take it out, easy. Flick it over to the other side and it's in. No, it's not going to move anywhere. That is secure for sharpening. Well, that's perfect. Expensive wood, it's only scrap. It's only a scrap bit. Lost my pencil. So we'll just cut this at the required size. Couple of holes. Screw it on. Bit of glue. Clean my glue off. Now I've got messy hands and I'm not in my work trousers. Who comes in their shed in their work trousers? Not in their work trousers, sorry. And then it's like, and then you go in and you possibly get told off. Right. Nice little simple project. Works on a bench hook. It will also then go in the clamp as well, which is really in the vise, sorry. Where's a chisel? I can put a clamp on there if I want. Look at that. Yeah, perfect. Simple little project. Just a sharpening stone, diamond sharpening stone, just cut into here. This has given me an idea for another little project I might actually do in my workshop. Anyway, it's sort of on the bench hook idea, so you can clamp it to your bench. It'll also go in your vise. So, but that's just a little sharpening station, really simple. Take it out, take it in, turn it over. Fits pretty much like a glove or an old pair of slippers. Who's got some of them? So that's it. Little sharpening station to improve my ability to sharpen things in my workshop. We've all got little things we want to improve, don't we? And that's a really simple idea, just to put in a nice little diamond stone. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, comments, love them. Lots of other videos on lots of things. Some of them are the big builds. I've got lots of things going on, big builds as well as smaller projects in the workshop. All sorts of things on this channel. Even talked about the Avengers today and what superhero you want to be. So yeah, put those in the comments as well. Don't know why, but you know, you don't have to, do you? But it's a bit of fun. It's a bit of fun. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care, everybody. Bye.